We are playing MM2 again with my favorite cousin, Brianna. I think she's about to join. She's not joining yet. Maybe in a few. There she joined. Let's pick my favorite factory. Why are they picking this map? It's much better.
Tulungan mo ako mamaya. Ito ba, ayaw mo pa rin ba mag-try ng sulat dito ng dikit-dikit? Habang madami ka pang pwedeng sulatan.
Oh my God, we got
Ito
innocent.
ka muna, pag Sunday. Papayagan kita mag-SM kasama ni Ate Brianna mo.
Cursive kanina. Cursive nga ako nalala.
Pero at last, ang gusto lang ni Mama, ayan o, ganitong cursive o, nagde-develop ka na. Mag-aral ka. Ang dami kasing papel pa lang hindi nasusulatan. Oo, pwede mo pang gamitin. Kahit na. Pwede.
Hindi naman yung sa Pinos.
May cellphone ka, may TV ka. Anong gusto mong panoorin?
Ay, so,
Ha? Sige na. Para lahat ng ano na matatabi ko.
nakalimutan ko pala.
Sige na.
We're back.
Sige na, sige na. Lilikpit na tayo para bawas tayo lamok kasi maraming
Am I lagging or not?
mga ano ngayon ang lamok.
Oh, there's the murderer.
Oo.
That's right there. That's her. Bro, that was like a sick one. I dodged that multiple times. That was ultra sick. Oh my God, we're so close to getting Sharky. So close. We're at 1973. We're gonna get that Sharky for sure. It's not my dream, but I only wanna get it. I wanna see how it looks, even though I can already see it. Oh, we got freaking innocent again. Worst roll ever. Everyone hates murderer. Innocent. I keep messing up my words, man. Bro, I was just about to jump. She killed me. Let's watch her play. Why is everyone so laggy?
Hello. Good morning. Afternoon na pala.
Yo, it's a cat Karen.
Liligpit ng mga tapat pitpitin. Lalo na sa gamit ng kuya. Pasaway.
We got
Ka
909.
na dyan?
We're gonna roll a knife or gun.
Kakainin ka? Wow. Puto sila.
Let's use my favorite item. Teddy bear.
Ano yung niluluto nila pa? Kayla, Kayla, tawag ka papa. Kayla.
It's spin around. It's spin around. I love spinning
Dali, sabi mo yung
around.
bisita mo, Kayla. Come here.
Yeah.
Kayla, oh, come
I
here.
love spinning around. I love spinning around.
Come.
I love spinning around.
Ano na nga eh.
I love spinning around.
Dali, dali, stand up. Stand up, dali. Show your arte. Show your drama kay Papa.
It's
Show mo kay
it's
Papa.
swing.
Show your drama kay
Swing.
Papa. Here, your Papa, oh. Drama.
The murders
Which one?
is falling.
Oh, drama. I'll show you, Mama.
This happened. This happened to me once. In the past, it happened to me like
You close your
a
mouth.
few months
and
ago.
your,
It happened.
Your eyes, you're crying. Dali.
Like literally, when this happened, I turned into pixels and I
Talaga, di siya
died
makapali, oh.
because I resetted.
Show mo yung kay Papa yung arte, your drama. Yung arte, madrama ka, di ba? Madrama ka. Hu, 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 hu. Show mo, Papa. Hu, 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 hu. Para papansinin ka ni Papa, dali. Cry ka na. Pag
Let's
nag-cry ka,
climb
papansinin ka
this
na.
boat. Let's climb.
Papa, oh. Hu, 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 hu. Show, Papa. Show. Ano kay Papa? Hu, hu, hu.
For those who don't know this, try it.
Kiss mo, Papa. Kiss. Mwah. Kiss, Papa. Mwah. Kiss mo, Papa. Kiss mo. Mwah. Arte? Ano yung drama mo?
I think she rolled it,
Show mo, Papa.
or just or it's an award.
Asa na iyak ng pangit? Kiss mo daw. Fly kiss. Mwah. Chingo. Chingo mo muna. Kaya may bago na naman daw siyang trip. Pansinin pa daw yung bago niyang trip. Yung pinapansin.
Boom.
May bago siyang trip.
I mean, though it's a common, uncommon, it's still good.
Ay! Nasakalin kita.
We're gonna lock everybody in one spot.
Ayan, drama talaga, oh. Drama. Ano yung drama?
Why is this girl lagging? Am I lagging or she's lagging?
Sabi mo. Chingo.
So the people inside of here is not murderer.
Anong trip mo? Come here. Nalagyan natin yan dito sa center.
I'm drowning. Oh my god, I'm drowning. What will we turn into? We turn into a big head? Because we did turn into a big head. I'm smart. I have a big brain right now. I literally know what's 1 plus 1. Finally, I finally know what's 1 plus 1. I don't even know it.
Para makabit ko. Ayun, favorite mo yun.
1 plus 1 is 11.
Hindi, naayos ko na.
Finally, for years, I finally know what's the answer.
Ha?
I think I just saved my own life. She almost killed me. I should better hide.
Ano nga? Ang gulo ng anak mo. Ito pa isa. Ay. Naku. Wala, stay at home. At itong anak mo nagyaya mag-extend talaga.
Murder is actually above me. I think it's above me. But if I go upstairs, I'm totally dead. Totally.
Anong plano mo bilhin? Oh, di nga. Talaga ba?
Paano gusto bumili ng vacuum na?
Diyan, sa bahay mo.
Hindi dahil.
Oh, we lost, but at least we were the last one.
Yung mga dischargeable.
Wait a second, why is she murdered twice?
Vacuum.
Ginagaya na
I
namin
mean,
si
it does
Liza.
happen to me sometimes, so it's fair.
Pero maganda rin.
Yun, para mga ganon.
It was my cousin who was sheriff.
Pero iba yung brand.
Dyson.
Dyson. Yun nga, mga ano nga, ginagaya ng ngayon. Siya ko kasi unan dyan. Si Dyson yung mga unang ganyan. Pati yun sa yung Jojo, yung electric fan. Si Dyson din yan.
Bili pa rin doon na cellphone na 199 lang.
Kanina mo bibigyan?
Yeah, it's true because I keep on talking.
199. Hindi iba na lang bili mo. Ha? 89? Ay, dali!
Oh, I got innocent again. The most hated role ever.
Ano yung baba mo siya, baba? Lagyan mo ng chair.
Wait, I'll be back.
O, tapos, akala ko sisilit lang. Baka may plano kang bilhin na. Dito lang, dito lang. Mobs, kayo lalabas.
Hello, I'm back. Let's start moving.
Kasi, hindi.
She's too quiet. Oh, there, it's not quiet anymore.
Natapos ko na nga yung pangtatabas sa...
Same, I was almost dead right there in the spot.
Forma-forma ng ano eh. I-chat niya kasi si Brianna yung nagyaya lang mag-SM.
Alis kayo.
Paano kami aalis? Panahon.
Okay.
Tiin ko na lang dito. Meron pala akong ano, tawag doon. Kasi baka may kumuha na itong table, pero wala, ano talaga eh. Kinukuha ng 1.5 lang. Dispose na tayo.
Ito rin pa yung mabili niya.
Ha? Mura lang yan.
Wow, you're so
DIY
close.
lang yun, 4,000. 2,000 pa. Ala, kumuha na ng pagkain ng kuya.
We got caught. He got me. I thought I dodged it. For sure.
Salamin, di ba?
For sure, I thought I dodged it. I'm in the bathroom right now because I'm gonna pee.
1.5?
Let's take my favorite item, Teddy. And by the way, I will be playing other games and recording. If you want, you can be the one who can recommendation for games so that I can upload. So just tell in the comments what game you want me to play and I'll play it. AFK.
Sila naman
We almost died.
lang para ma-dispose lang. Tapos, yun
Teddy
na,
gives us luck.
Ipon ko yung mga pang ano dito. Di ba yung pang paghiba ng kwarto dito gagawin sala. Ay gagawin dining table.
If you use Teddy, he'll give you luck for sure.
Pinupuno ko yung
You'll get more higher chance of getting murder. For sure.
Isip ko kasi, kaya hindi ko pa mapagawa. Pagka...
By the way, has anyone seen a mirror?
portion dito na
Oh yeah, I forgot.
open
Can
sa
speak.
tiles, yung tiles ko na
It's a video, not a live stream or something.
So kung yung awang lang yung ano yun.
Damn, 2 people were dead. Oh look, he has my sword. The sword I'm using behind me. We're using the same.
Gigibain yan, tignan mo.
Meron na extra niya.
Dalawa lang pala na dito, hindi lang sa isa. E kaso syempre, pag sinibag mo tayo dito.
Proven is murder.
Yung pagkain mo kinalat na, ayusin mo. Ayun o, tignan mo kapatid mo. Yun lang. Tapos, yun. Pagka ano, yung screen door sana bago magpasko nakabit natin.
I'll be AFK. I'll be back. So, for those, just wait.
Ano na, malawag-lawag dito. Tapos maliit na dining table lang yun dito sa loob. May portion dito na parang sofa bed. Yung parang upuan na medyo malapad. Yung pwede siyang tulugan.
Pero na, iba na kayo ng mga airpid ah.
Hindi, meron dito. Yung dito sa
Hello, I'm
water
back
na to, sa-
from fixing something. Who's Hawk? I never know Hawk.
Isang dala, may isa parang ginagalang
Who even is Hawk?
yun, ganun ng style.
Ilang yung kama?
Hindi, pwede mong tulugan katulad ng pala ati Karen. Diba open yun? Yung isang upuan doon, ano yun, walang sandalan, straight yun.
I have no friend who is
Gawa sa naroon.
named
Kahit yung
Hawk
tulugan nila eh, pagka
or
yung
either
mga
friends in
tulugan,
my friend list. I never
Alam
have.
mo, napakabait oh.
I never have anyone named Hawk.
Pinipili yan.
Alam mo lang yun.
Kala mo talagang bait. Oh. What's that? What's that? Ano yan?
Chingo mo siya, tata. Chingo.
Oh, it's my friend in school named Aiden.
Kaya pati mga yung TV, oh. Yun, basta tignan ko na lang kung ano. Pag-iipan mo ito. Yung mga gamit. Oo. Alam mo!
This is also my classmate. Grade 4.
Parang may tae ka, no? Ay, nako.
My cousin and my best friend or friend, I don't know, is here. So 2 people that I know is here. For a second, I didn't know who was Hawk thingy. But as soon as I read the real username, it's actually my friend Aiden.
Joke lang, bye! Madali, papalit ka na doon. Sige na, call na lang later. Message mo ako sa kayo lalabas, ha? Okay, bye! Ingat! Bye, you won! Good luck. Ingat, bye-bye.
Oh, huh? Why did the round ended? I think it's 2 minutes.
Mga sale-sale. Yan.
Oh, he probably reset
Pagka may
or
mga
something.
sale-sale na ano. Sige na, para ano. Linis tayo. Ha? Mga sale na cellphone. Computer, laptop. Bibili daw siya ng ano, bibili daw siya vacuum, yung electric vacuum. Baka matoshi na oh. Ito yung bakal niyan, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ate. Nilagay ko nga yun dyan. Sa kanya yan, bigyan mo. Hinahanap ko yung ano. Ito, labas mo na rin ito. Ano na natin, dispose na natin yan. May ano to, eh.
Oh, we haven't got sheriff or innocent. I mean murder. I keep messing up my words. But let's get some money. Let's get some money.
Susumid ko yung pwesto mo dahil kailangan ko pinturahan.
No, staying away from there.
Ano tayong bisita pagpasko dito?
That was close. That was close.
Dito ka na!
That was close.
Kaya! Ayusin ang mga sira-sira. Kaya dito!
Oh my god, I almost died. I almost
Kaya
escaped.
dito!
Why do I keep messing up my words? By the way, I'll be back.
Hoy! Uy! Uy!
What does it mean? You're saying how? Why is he asking me? What did I do? I don't understand what he's talking about. She got the same knife as me, Palms, who I just that I just rolled yesterday. That was very lucky, if I would guess. By the way, go check my community. I kind of publish a post. If you want to see them, go check them out. I only published 2. By the way, sorry for saying I would be uploading on Friday or Saturday. Since there was some time, I wanted to upload today, Sunday. No way we got murdered! No way! Our favorite role in MM2. Sometimes sheriff or murderer. But why did I become murderer at the worst spot ever? It's so hard to kill people here. But let's try to get the win. Whoa! Why? Oh my god. I didn't know he was sheriff. Plus, how did he know I was murderer anyways? Ho ho ho. Hey, but at least third time's the charm, I guess. Maybe later we can get murder again.
Saan nilagay yung Sheena? Sheena, saan mo nilagay yung bakal?
We got innocent.
Saan nilagay ko yung bakal?
By the way, this is the last round before the video ends. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Bro, that hitbox, I was literally far away. But, bye-bye guys. If you want to see more, just like and subscribe. Bye!